Hi everyone, I'm Lauren, I have ADHD, and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm continuing my work on Verna's cabinet. If you missed part 1, check it out here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe and check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, and so are good microphones and cameras. As you can see, I did manage to get the rest of the top with the flathead screwdriver, but trying to get the bottom of the lid finally pushed me to look up advice. What I found was that a wet towel and an iron was the best way to loosen the veneer adhesive. I started with a quick press and steam, but it just wasn't making much difference. Please also note that you're likely to ruin your towel and iron by doing this. A good 15-second press helped a little. I could at least get a bit of traction with the screwdriver. But also check out the finish on the veneer. It turned white and flaky. Kinda neat. Let's try 15 seconds on a smaller section. It's better, but it's still not easy enough. So let's try a little bit longer and a little bit smaller section. Ooh, we are getting somewhere now. Ultimately, I found that 30 seconds was the minimum to get any real results, and I had to do one small section at a time. At that point though, the veneer was like a thin leather and peeled up really nicely. Yes, I did jab myself a little there with the screwdriver, but no blood was shed. The show carries on. That front corner is being really stubborn. It might just be at a weird angle for the steam to hit due to the warping of the wood, but I will not be defeated. I would rather have a few gouges in the corner than surrender. Once a section cools, the adhesive locks right back up, so I'm having to work fairly quickly and re-steam pretty often. Another struggle I'm having is making sure the part of the towel I'm using is still damp enough to work. That's part of why I'm using so much steam from the iron, and this was on a pretty dry, windy day, so that was a challenge. You can tell here that I'm back to the part I mentioned in my previous video where the veneer was better protected, so it's being a little bit more stubborn about releasing itself. I almost ironed the wrong side of the towel, which has, as you can see, a bit of veneer finish or maybe adhesive stuck to it. And that would have turned into a really sticky mess. That would have been really tough to clean off of my iron. Okay, one last press should do it here. If you have a hobby you think I should try after this one, drop it in the comments along with any useful bits of advice or thoughts on the video. I'm going to try to post these weekly or bi-weekly. I do have a toddler though, so we'll see how it goes. Love you!